If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can easily create PDF documents from within other Adobe applications like Photoshop or Photoshop Elements separately from Adobe Acrobat. As shown in the lesson titled Creating PDFs Using the PDF Printer, you can use the print function within a desktop application after installing Adobe Acrobat Pro to convert documents to PDF. Additionally, Adobe software lets you create a PDF by opening a file and then selecting File, Save As from the menu bar to open the Save As dialog box. In the Save As dialog box, choose where to save the PDF. Then click the Save As Type dropdown to select Adobe PDF, Photoshop PDF, or whatever PDF choice is available within the specific Adobe application. Then enter a name for the file into the File Name field and set any application-specific PDF conversion settings. Finally, click the Save button. The Save Adobe PDF dialog box then opens. This dialog box lets you set any application-specific PDF file conversion options and can override settings made in the Save As dialog box. Depending on the application, these conversion settings may include compression settings, output settings, and security settings, among others. After changing any PDF conversion settings if needed, then click the Save PDF button in this dialog box to finish. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.